AIIMS Rajkot is part of the new prestigious institutions that were conceived under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. While the short-term objective of establishing new AIIMS in various parts of India is to reduce the gaps in affordable tertiary health care, the long-term vision is to generate wellness amongst the general population of India. AIIMS Rajkot falls under phase 6 of the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. This shall be a 750 bedded hospital with multiple specialty as well as super specialty departments. It is one of the most ambitious projects with a total outlay of 1195 crore rupees, which includes an allocation of 185 crores towards state of the art medical equipment. With the addition of new AIIMS including AIIMS Rajkot, the overall availability of MBBS seats in the country has risen to 42,495 in government institutions. These MBBS seats will see a further increase in the future as AIIMS Rajkot shifts from its temporary campus to the permanent campus and infrastructure and human resources augmentation takes place. AIIMS Rajkot shall have 125 MBBS seats, including the seats for EWS students. In addition, it shall have 60 nursing students in due course of time. Our government has been making an honest endeavour to increase the overall availability of MBBS seats to 80,000 with the urgent aim to bridge the gap in requirement of doctors. The central government's initiative in setting up new AIIMS in different states to promote regional spread of super specialty health care and its accessibility is a concerted step in the right direction of ensuring quality health care to each and every citizen of India. I take this opportunity to remind our young professionals about the sacrifice being continuously made by lakhs of frontline medical personnel during the COVID-19 pandemic. Like everywhere else in the world, doctors and health workers in India have also held fort and have been at the forefront of the country's battle against the pandemic. I always encourage young and bright minds to choose the medical profession because it is a highly noble profession. What makes it so is the quality of the doctor-patient relationship, which is guided by the best of human virtues such as altruism, compassion, and the desire to alleviate human suffering. This is a proud day for all of you and for your family members, teachers, and your friends. It is always heartening to see a new generation taking over. Medicine is a noble profession and it is up to you to keep it that way. It is also a stressful one, but please do persevere. To borrow from John F. Kennedy, for you there is a new world to be won.